Welcome back, my fourth graders. This is lesson 11.4, weight in customary units. This is our target. Write weights using equivalent customary measures, and criteria we are going to study is about I can compare sizes of customary units of weight, write customary weights using smaller customary units, make tables of equivalent customary weights. Okay, so let's take a look. Use a platform scale to help you complete the statement. All right, so 1 pound is how many times as heavy as 1 ounce is? It's 1 past the 1.5, right? And it's gonna be 16 times. So I'm gonna tell you this. Let's see, there is a, what do you think I'm drawing? It looks like slice of bread, right? So 1 slice is what? Is about 1 ounces, okay? And if you have 16 slices of this bread, it's gonna make 1 pound of bread, okay? So when you have like this bag, okay, 1 loaf of bread is about what? 1 pound. So count how many slices of bread you can see in one bag. Okay, if they have less than 16 and it says 1 pound, maybe they cut it a little bit thick. Okay, so please check, okay, when you get home. All right, now look at this. How can you use the number line to complete the statement? Tons and pounds. Okay, here 0 to 1, wow. And pounds are what? 200 and 2,000 pound is equal to what? 1 ton. So 1 ton is what? 2,000 times as heavy as what? 1 pound. Okay, this is from number line. Okay, so that's it. Now you know the weight of an object in pounds. Without measuring, how can you find its weight in ounces? We know 1 pound is equivalent to 16 ounces, so you need to multiply 16. Let's move on. Now, customary units of weight include ounces, pounds, and tons. So please remember this chart. 1 pound is equivalent to 16 ounces. And 1 ton is equal to what? 2,000 pounds. Now example, please memorize this one, okay? Example, find the number of ounces in 6 pounds. Okay, 1 pound is equivalent to how many ounces? 16, right? Remember that? And 6 times 16 is what? 6 times 6 is 36. Carry 3 up. And 6 times 1 is what? 6. 6 plus 3 is what? 9. So 96. So there are what? 96 ounces in 6 pounds. Another example. The vehicle shown weighs 8 tons. Okay, 8 tons. And then what is the weight in pounds? Now there are how many pounds in 1 ton? Remember? 2,000 pounds, right? Now 8 times 2,000 is what? 8 times 2? 16. How many zeros? 3 zeros. So 16,000. Okay? So the vehicle weighs what? 16,000 pounds. Number 1. Find the equivalent weight. Okay, now 5 ton, 2 pound. Remember, 1 ton is equal to what? 2,000 pound. So 2,000 times 5. 2 times 5 is what? 10. And how many zeros? 3 more zeros. So 10,000 pounds. Now 9 pounds are how many ounces? So 1 pound is equal to what? 16 ounces. Remember? So 16 times 9. 54, 5. 9 plus 5 is 1, 4. So 144 ounces. Now pounds to ounce. Okay, so same thing. So 15 times what? 16. 5 times 6 is what? 30. 6, 9. Put 0, 5, 1 is what? 0, 4, 2. 240 ounces. Ton to pound. Okay, now times 2,000, right? Remember? 14,000. Okay, 3 zeros. All right, I want you to practice by yourself from now on, and these questions are not gonna be hard at all. Okay, so please remember, 1 pound is equal to what? 16 ounces. And 1 ton is equal to what? 2,000 pounds. Okay? So 6 times 2,000. 12,000, right? And pounds to ounces, 320. Okay, remember? Because 2 times 16 is what? 32, and then add 0. Okay, one more 0. All right, pounds to ounces, same thing, times 16, right? Is 291. Okay, 192 ounces. All right, 2 tons to pounds, 4,000, right? And then 4 tons to pounds, 4 times 2 is what? 8, and 3 more zeros. Pounds to ounces times what? 16, right? And 6, 1, 1, so 176. Now 15 pounds to ounces, 16 times 15. I think we did this one. I don't remember when. Hold on. Yup, we did it already. 240. Right? We just did it in here, number 3. Right? I think they forgot. All right, number 10. 10 ton to pounds. 2 times 1 is what? 2 times 1 is 2. And how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 20,000 pounds. A bag of flour weighs 5 pounds. What is the weight of the bag of flour in ounces? Times what? 16, right? 6 times 5 is 30. Carry 3 up, and 8. All right. Now, complete the statement. 54 ounces is greater, okay, than some pounds. What can be? 1 pound is equal to what? 16 ounces. So I'm going to put 1, okay? Number 15. 5,500 pounds are less than some tons, okay? So 1 ton is equivalent to what? 2,000 pounds, right? So that's 1 ton, and 2 tons are 4,000, and 3 tons are gonna be 6,000. So I'm gonna put 3. If the number is greater than 3, yeah, you're correct. All right, now number 16, compare 2 pounds versus 25 ounces. Now convert to pounds to ounces times 16, right? That's gonna be what? 32. All right, so 2 pounds are what? Greater. Now 6,500 pound and 7 ton. Okay, I'm gonna convert that into what? Pounds, which is what? Times 2,000. 14,000. Ooh, that's way greater. Okay, 7 ton is way greater than 6,500 pounds. Last page, guys. Example, a river otter eats 64 ounces of food each day. Okay. A zookeeper has 3.5 pounds of fish to feed the otter. Now, does the zookeeper have enough food to feed the otter for 1 day? Let's see. So make a table that shows the relationship between pounds and ounces. Compare 64 ounces to 3.5 pounds. All right, let's go ahead. 1 pound is equivalent to how many ounces? Remember? 16 slices of bread. Remember that, right? And then 3 times 16 is going to be 48. And 3.5, which means what? Times 16 is going to be, I'm going to show you again. 3 plus half, right? Remember that, right? Times 16. So 16 times 3 is what? We just did it, 48, plus 16 over 2, which is what? 2 can fit into 16 by what? 8 times. Okay, so that's gonna be what? 56. All right. So now let's fill out this form, table, which is what? 3 times 16 is, we did it, 48. And 3.5 is what? 56. And 4 is going to be 4 times 16 is going to be 64. And then 4.5 will be what? 72. Okay. So zookeeper has only 56, but the other needs what? 64 ounces. So 56, 64. So zookeeper does not have, okay? Doesn't have enough food to feed the otter for 1 day. Number 18, the weight limit of a bridge is 10,000 pounds. Can the van cross the bridge? Let's see. Okay, tons 4 and 1/4 ton times 2,000, right? And I'm going to multiply this and that. Remember that, right? And then I'm gonna add it. Now, there are many different ways, but I'm gonna do it. Okay, here 4 times 2 is what? 8,000, right? Plus 2,000 over 4. Makes sense? And then 4 can fit into 20 by what? 5 times. And then I still have what? 2 more zeros, so 500. So the weight of this van is what? 8,500 compared to what? 10,000. So this van can cross it? Yes. Now your backpack weighs 3.5 pounds. You take 4 ounces books. Okay. Oh, 1 book. Okay, 4 ounces book out of your backpack. How many ounces does your backpack weigh now? All right. So your backpack weighs what? 3.5 pounds. Let's count. 3. I'm gonna convert that into what? Ounces. So pounds to ounce, you need to multiply 16. Remember, plus 16 over 2 times. Oh, that's it already. You know why I did it, right? 3 plus half, right? Times 16. Okay, same thing. So 18 and 48 plus what? 2 can fit into 16 by 8 times. 56. Okay, so now from 56 ounces, you took what? 4 ounces book, okay, out of your backpack. That means what? You have only 52 ounces, okay, left. All right, last question, guys. Number 20. A 195-pound man, okay, has 25 40-pound packages to deliver. Okay, I think this man is a delivery man, and can he bring all of the packages on the elevator at once? Explain. So this elevator maximum capacity is what? 2 tons, which is what? How many pounds? Because we are talking about pounds, right? 2 times 2,000 is what? 4,000 pounds they can hold. Okay, so now 195 pounds plus 25 packages of what? Each package has 40 pounds. Now let's see. So wow, I know 25 and 4 look familiar, right? Quarters, right? And that's gonna be 100 and plus 0, so that's 1,000. And 1,000 plus 195 is equal to what? 1,195 pounds altogether. Compared to 4,000, yes, you have way less than the capacity, right? So the answer is what? Yes. And the explanation is what? I'm going to put 4,000 compared to 1,195. 4,000 is greater. All right, that's it for today's lesson, and your homework will be 17 and 19. No, 17 and 18. And if you have any questions, please put star mark on it, you know that, right? And then raise your hand. Don't be afraid or don't be shy. All right. Oh, today's lesson finished in 15 minutes. Great. And gonna excel and practice more. Okay, I will see you soon. Bye.